More and Friends!
Hey friends, I am a monkey. I love to climb on the trees. And we jump from tree to tree easily. I love to eat bananas. I love to bother people. I love to play with you. We are the funniest animal in the forest. I have a long tail, 4 legs. Sometimes I steal people's stuffs, but it's not a good thing to steal. Hey friends, I am a fish. We live in the water. We have 2 eyes, fin, gills, and a tail. I can see like humans. I cannot survive outside the water. I can swim very fast. You can find us in lakes, rivers, and seas. We have so many colors. If you eat us, we are very yummy and healthy. Hey friends, I am a cat. I am a pet animal. We are cute and beautiful. We have 2 eyes, 4 legs, 2 ears, a nose, and a soft tail. I have soft hairs on my body. I am small in size as compared to other animals. Most of the people keep cat inside home. We love to play with you. I love eating fish and drinking milk. We express love by rolling on the floor. We love to jump. I can see in the dark and I am a good hunter. Hey friends, I am a dog. I am the most popular pet on the planet. Our noses are at least 40 times more sensitive than humans. We have sharp teeth. We have 4 legs, 2 ears, 2 eyes, a tail, a mouth, and a nose. Some dogs are incredible swimmers. I run very fast, barks loudly, and attacks strangers. I am friendly and loving. I am a faithful animal. We don't sweat like humans. Some are fast and could even beat a cheetah. Hey friends, I am a fox. I am a wild animal. I am found in almost every part of the world. I look like a dog. I live in jungles. My tail is long and furry. I live in a den. I am a clever animal. I can make over 40 different sounds. I am friendly, but people are scared of me. Hey guys, like and share my videos. Subscribe Moo and Friends and press the bell icon for more fun.
Friends, hope you are doing good today. Today we will learn about farm animals. Cow, goat, pig, horse, rooster, dog, cat, duck, turkey, frog, sheep,
bee, chick,